What's the meaning of commemoration? Commemoration. Commemoration.
Commemoration. Commemoration. Commemoration refers to the act of remembering and honoring a person, event, or achievement, typically through some form of ceremony or tribute. This can include things like memorial services, dedications, or anniversaries. The purpose of commemoration is to ensure that important people, events, and accomplishments are not forgotten over time, and that they continue to be recognized by future generations. By commemorating these things, we are able to celebrate their significance and keep their memory alive, while also inspiring ourselves and others to strive towards similar levels of excellence and achievement.